thinking back on all those times when I felt closed off from all that I could become, eager but too scared to climb. Wanted to please my friends, but it felt like the end of myself. I was shut down and all drained out. I was lost, so I had to.
Hi guys, just doing a little unboxing, something that I really have been, well, what should I say, thinking about for a long time, and I decided to take the plunge. And I have seen everyone wearing this, and I have fell in love. I think I first saw it on Monroe Still, I think, and then I saw it as well on Cappuccinos and Consignment, and I was like, oh, I've got to get them. So now my package has arrived, and this is it. So we are unboxing together. Yes, I'm sure if you see the small little box, you already know what I'm talking about. But yeah, so I suppose that's all my receipts and my gift certificate. I think I did a good thing. So it was on my wish list for Christmas, or because I've come into a little bit of financial freedom, I would say, because I've done some work and it has paid up, and yeah, so here I am. And this is my little box, guys, this is this is what it looks like. It's coming with the little code, and it's in a little bag, and yeah, I get, whoops, oh no, yeah, I get to open it up, and let's see how to open it up with this classic way. Nice. So yes guys, I have to, this is it. These are the babies. Yeah, a whole lot. So I had to move from where I was so that you can see the beauties properly, because I think the lighting is better here. So yeah, these are the beauties, and like I said before, this is all the little tags that came with it, and they're for me to write a small message if it's a present. But yeah, I will write myself, because this is a milestone for me. I am growing up as a lady, and I'm very proud of myself. And that's just the letter that says thank you for shopping with Louis. Yeah, so yeah, they have to say thank you to me, because hey guys, I spent quite a lot. I won't say the price, you can go online and have a look. I will even try and link it below in case someone else is interested in joining this fun way of spending money, I think. But anyway, when you see the beauties, you will understand why I chose to spend the money. So I'm super happy. I'm super happy with my purchase, and these are the babies. This is them. This is the babies. These are the babies. They come in a little, it's a velvet little pochette for you to keep your earrings. It's really nice. It's really luxurious. It's really like, okay. So from the money that I spent, I wonder how much is the calculation for this little velvet pochette. So yeah, this is it. This is for keeping my earrings So yes, these are the babies. Let me put them up pro. These are the babies. So I read a lot of reviews online, and but first things first, I saw them on Instagram, and I saw them, I think, last year or the year before, I can't remember. And Monroe still, she started wearing hers, and I was so in love. But yeah, so I put it down on my wish list, which didn't happen in that year. And then last year I saw, I think her name is Cappuccinos and Consignment, and then I fell double in love. And then after that I went on to YouTube and I started reading all the reviews, and yeah, the babies are just beautiful. Apparently I'm supposed to have a right and a left, because then the LV is supposed to be designed, but as far as I can see right now, I can't see what I'm doing, so we'll just have to put them on, and maybe they will be opposite, or maybe they will not, I don't know. But anyway, here we are. We are going to put them on and try and see which goes where or how it works. But yeah. Oh guys, please be super proud of me, because I'm growing up, you know, becoming from a girl to a lady, and I think this is my transition. And yeah, and I think you're going to see a lot of these, because I really love them, and I really have, when I listen to everyone talking about them on the reviews that I had to look at, they said that they don't scratch, you know, so not for them, not scratching is a really good thing for me, because you know, if you spend a lot of money, yeah, it better not scratch. So I'm hoping that I will try and keep them nice and safe, and trying to look after them properly so that they do not scratch, because I actually think that for a first purchase, it's not my first LV purchase, it's not, but for a first purchase of earrings that cost so much, I think I owe it to myself to actually look after them. And so far I can say I'm very happy with them. They're not heavy. The size is really good. You can see them, but at the same time they're not overbearing. But and I think the LV is just intricate enough for you to actually say that you're wearing designer earrings. So yeah, and I'm so in love. So pardon me right now, because you're gonna see a lot of them on the gram. I'm gonna take a lot of photos with them, because they're so beautiful. They're dainty, but at the same time, so you can see me, kind of thing. So I think that they're a really good pair of earrings for someone else who might want to actually take the plunge. I would say go for it, because I think they're very nice. And I think I'll be able to style a lot of outfits, you know, because I think they take your outfit from, let's just say, 7 to a 10 kind of thing, because I think they speak for themselves. So even if you have a laid-back style that you're wearing, and then you put these on, immediately your style will be elevated. So I'm hoping that I'll be able to dress them up properly, and because I think they deserve their own little portion in my jewelry box. So I'm gonna separate the other ones, you know, the other ones, until I add some more in my collection. But these I love. I am very happy with the purchase, and whoever else is wanting them, I think go ahead and do that, because these are such a beautiful one. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this this video, and thank you so much for sharing it to others, because other people too might want to actually see what the beauties look like. And if you like this video and you like my style, hopefully you will subscribe and press the like button. I'm hoping that you will stay in the family, and I'm hoping that I will continue to make more content for you guys to watch, and I hope the content will be good enough for you to stay and watch everything. So yeah, thank you very much guys, and have a blessed one, and God bless you.